Good morning! How do humans breathe?
We use our lungs to breathe. How? When we breathe in, we pull down the diaphragm. Air flows in through the nose or mouth. The lungs expand. When we breathe out, we relax the diaphragm. Air flows out through the nose or mouth. The lungs contract.
Let's make a model and see it happening. We need the following materials. A clean dry plastic bottle around 600 ml or any size is okay too. 3 balloons. 2 bending straws. Scissors. Sticky tape or masking tape or any kind of tape. And modeling clay or a firm Play-Doh. Let us start! Cut the bottom of the bottle. Cut a small hole in the lid. Create the trachea. Cut a hole on one straw at the end of the corrugated part. Cut the other straw to make a pointed end. Stick in the hole. Put some clay to make the seals airtight. Attach the lungs. Cut the balloon's neck off. Make the seals airtight with the use of tape. Prepare to place the lungs in the ribcage. Put some tapes at the hole of the lid. Cut a small hole with the use of scissors. Create the diaphragm. Cut off the bottom of the remaining balloon about a third. Make a knot in the neck of the balloon. Stretch the balloon over the wide opening of the bottle. Breathe in, breathe out. This model has 2 lungs and a windpipe. Till next time, bye!
Till next time, bye!